Pussy Boy, and welcome to Fast. Ang ating panauhin ngayong hapon is one of the most brilliant actors in the country today.
Yes.
He's very, very special, lalo na in the context of what we're talking about, dahil he has managed to keep his private life private and his public life public. Naitay Kapuso, please welcome the one and the only, Joel Torres!
Akong tao, kaya nga ako na sumapak sa acting nung bata pa ako para mawala ko yung nati-theater na kami ni Peke noon. Yung mahihain ko, I have to hurdle that. As an actor, iba ang acting at saka iba yung private ko. At saka sabi ng tatay ko talaga na binilin sa amin na Joel, always remember you only have one name and make sure you take care of it. So yun, iniingatan ko talaga yung pangalan. Unang-una siguro kailangan mahalin mo trabaho mo. I love my job and that's what sinabi, pinagbilin sa akin ni Man Vic Silayan. Sabi niya, nagsama kami sa Cardinal 1983-84, Joel, you have to love your job so that your job will love you back. So true enough, binubuhos mo yung lahat, your mind, body, and soul into your craft. And binabalik din naman sa iyo kasi kailangan you have full focus, you have to invest in yourself, invest in your craft. And ang differentiation ng actor and the person, actually, the actor is only as good as the person. So an artist is only good as the person itself.
Magbibigay ka ng titulo ng iyong pelikula about your life. You told me as time goes by. I ask you the same question. Parehong title pa rin ba? Or do you have a new title for your life?
I think my title will Be Here Now.
Here now.
Be here now.
Be here now.
That's my mantra now. The past is past, the future is not yet there, but now is now. So lagi, yun na yung pinaka-mantra ko, pinaniniwalaan ko. It's parang Bible yun ng mga hippies before, ng mga yogis. Be here now.
Be, is that be, comma? Or it's
No,
be
just
here?
be here now. Be here. Dito na tayo. This is the only time that we have, really.
Manukan, aktingan.
Acting.
Pecho pa.
Pecho.
Okay. Kansi, Batsoy.
Kansi.
Bacolod, Manila.
Bacolod.
Mahusay, madiskarte.
Mahusay.
Pogi noon, mas pogi ngayon.
Mas pogi ngayon!
Tinitingala o tinitilian.
Tinitigala.
Batang artista na nagagalingan ka.
UN. Miguel.
Artistang nakakatakot ka eksena.
Si Johnny Delgado.
Artistang nakakamangha ka eksena.
Si Vic Selayan.
Artistang niligawan mo.
Ang niligawan, maaga akong
Masaya ang kainan kapag
makakasama yung pamilya.
boring ang kainan pag wala.
Pag solo ka lang.
Masarap ang manok kapag
Ako ng tipla.
kailan ka pinakayami, Joel.
Hanggang ngayon.
Lights on or lights off.
Dim lights.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Early morning after taking a bath.
Oh, most important thing sa buhay mo, ano ito?
Family, love, and God.
Oh!
Ang Christmas wish ko kay Tito Boy, sana mas marami pa siyang shows. And of course, I wish him all the best in life, peace of mind, and a loving heart. And may God bless him more. Ang saya, napaka-natural lang at saka free-flowing. Wala akong may inaano na hindi ako ng utal-utal at saka relax. It's a very relaxing talk. You know how Tito Boy is with his guests. Pero at this time, parang nakala ko kakabahan pa ako or what. Pero smooth, very smooth and enjoyable. Lakas ng tawa ko.
Thank you so much.